Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining us on another fabulous Las Vegas home tour. Actually, we're in Lake Las Vegas today, and this house is great. You're gonna wanna watch every minute of this. Lots of surprises, it's just totally gorgeous house. So, first of all, Jake Burkett with Real Broker. Please always like and subscribe. We appreciate you interacting with us. Comment, the good, the bad, the ugly. Let us know, we love to chat. If you need to contact me directly, my cell's 702-493-1934. You can also email me, Jake, J-A-K-E, at jbrelv.com. You can visit our website if you want a free home evaluation or set up your own search and not talk to anybody. Jake Burkett, realestatelv.com. The link's right below you. And here we go. So Lake Las Vegas. First, I want to say thanks so much to my friend Michael Johnson. This is his listing. He has allowed us to come take a look at it. Beautiful house priced at $2.8 million. It's 4,800 square feet. It's on a little bit bigger than a quarter acre. It's got 4 bedrooms. It's got 2 offices. It's got a home movie theater. It's got amazing views, pool, just a completely gorgeous house. And if I didn't mention, we are in South Shore. That's in Las Vegas, or excuse me, Lake Las Vegas, guard-gated community. Let's head inside. All right, so what we're gonna look at today, we're gonna go kitchen, bedrooms upstairs, views, bedrooms, just, you know, it just keeps going, right? So come into through the front door right there. First, it's got a huge entryway here, really cool. Got this big old chandelier up there. And of course you have these just crazy sick views. Got your living room here. The finish on the wall, I believe this is called Santa Fe. Not exactly sure, but I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. It's like super smooth, a couple of intentional blemishes. Looks really well. But of course, here we got the main living room. These huge windows looking out. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. We're gonna go outside in just a second. Right after we peek at this kitchen, got a little formal dining area over here. Huge windows, man. Look at all that. Look at that view out the windows and all that light coming in. It's just gorgeous. Another huge bay window right there. Man, check out this kitchen, right? Huge center island. Big old thick 3-inch quartz countertops there. Cool pendants. Got cabinetry that goes along the ceiling with a little bit of tray molding up there. Crown molding, excuse me, tray. Got Thermador appliance package in this house. Beautiful backsplash. Got your 2 ovens with your gas cooktop and griddle right there. Got a trash compactor right here. Dishwasher. Huge fridge, and there's a really awesome, insane feature about that fridge I'm gonna take a peek at with you in just a second. So you got like this, here's your pantry area. Butler's kitchen, what do you want to call it? Your microwave's in here. Some cool floating shelves, nice window action. Back to this beautiful fridge. Check this out. So the wine fridge is built like right next to the fridge. Attached right next to it. How cool is that? Got your reds, got your whites. Anyways, that's pretty cool. So that's kind of the kitchen, surveying it. Just awesome. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous downstairs. Focal point of the house when you first come in. Let's go up this little hallway right here. Just gonna take a quick peek into the secondary bedrooms, which all have their own closets, own ensuite, bathroom style. Hello. Walk-in closet right over there. Got a linen closet to my right. Here is the laundry room. It's nice and big. Beautiful countertops. Got backsplashing all around. Lots of cabinetry. Nice. And let's peek inside the garage. It's just a nice garage. Nothing too crazy about it. Does have its own access door out here, which is cool because this is where if you didn't want to keep your trash cans and trash bins inside the house, keep them right out here, and then you got your little gate, take them out to the street. You know what I didn't point out? So you got a lot of 90-degree corners in this house like you do in many homes, but look at the ceiling right here. See how it's like kind of concave? It's got, you know, semicircle shape to it. So I don't know about you, but that reminds me of like being in an old castle, an old cathedral. But it's pretty cool how it breaks up, you know, all the 90s all over the house. And then you can see these lights fixed to the wall over here, same that you saw the other hallway, all these windows. And here's the home theater. So a little dark lit in here, as you would expect. Got a big old screen up there. Got two levels. So if you have chairs in here, you know, help you out, your big projector. And you got surround sound built all the way around. So I wouldn't mind watching a movie in here. How about you? And here we have the first office. So it's nice. It's got some great views out here. But if you work at home like a lot of people do nowadays, this would be a fantastic fit for you. So we're going to check out this next bedroom downstairs, and I'd love it if you comment if you think this is the primary bedroom. So we come in here, right? It's a nice big bedroom. It's got some windows, nice high ceilings. It's got your own access right out to the backyard. The sick pool, sick views, some floating shelves there. Take a peek in the bathroom right quick. You got one sink area right here, got a couple mirrors. That's the shower, and we'll peek in there in a second. Got your other one right here. Shower's kind of cool, reminds me of kind of cave-ish, although it does open up at the top there. Some nice tile work in there. There's the top. Kind of neat. And you got two closets. You got a bathroom to your left. Closet right there. Closet right there with additional linen closet right there. So that's the downstairs. Main? Question mark? Maybe not. We'll see. But yeah, really cool house. Let's go take a peek outside real quick at these breathtaking views. Gorgeous pool. You can see Lake Las Vegas. We're also right on the golf course. Got a little fire pit right to my left. Got your hot tub right there. Everything just points out towards the views, of course, which are just sick. You can see the course right down here below. Got Lake Las Vegas off and then not too far distant. Big pool, just views, views, views. This is gorgeous. Peaceful. It's awesome, right? Let's pan back, look at the house here a bit. Just gorgeous. Got your built-in fire pit, or excuse me, a grill over here to the right with a nice countertop. Just awesome pool. Beautiful, beautiful. Two water features right there, spilling in right off the little swim step. Wow, right? Just sick. All right, let's go back inside and head upstairs, because that's where we have left to go. Also, off to the right, you got your little washroom right here. So friends over, entertaining. You know, everyone wants to see what it looks like. So there it is. All right, up we go. Got some little storage right here on the stair landing. All right, storage never hurts. All right, coming down here, we have, also you got this big closet right here with your own home sauna if you want. So you could hop in there, a little dry sauna action. And you have this like suite. I'm not saying it's just a suite room, it's like a suite. Got a little fridge. A big bathroom. Shower. Got a closet in the bathroom back there. So if you had people living with you, staying with you, pretty sweet. It's a pretty sweet suite, right? All right, we don't have too much more to go. Here we go. We have office number 2 right here to my left. So this could be a good day at work with this kind of view. And if you are the primary resident, we're going to call this your bedroom. So it's a nice big bedroom. And this feature is pretty cool right here. So if you have a TV in your room, you can have it mounted right there. I'd probably recommend making it no bigger than the platform it's designed to be mounted on. Be nice and tucked away, it's super cool. Of course, you have more sick views up here. And then, of course, we have the prime bathroom. You do have a fireplace right there. Cool stonework, floating shelves. Got this really cool standalone tub right there. So if you end up taking baths, you got some great views, plenty of privacy. Got another cool little kind of enclosed shower here. Pretty neat. This one is all sealed up. So if you want to take a hot steam shower, it'd be very easy to do because you only have little cracks and crevices for the heat to escape. You got your 2 sinks over here, a little vanity, and a nice walk-in closet. So that's pretty much sums up this house. A beautiful, beautiful home over here in the South Shores of Lake Las Vegas. Thank you all so much for joining us. Please always subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your interaction. Leave us a comment, give me a call, send me a text, 702-493-1934. You can also email me, jake@jbrelv.com, or visit our website for your own personal needs, Jake Burkett, realestatelv.com. Thanks so much, and we'll catch you next time.